Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, this is Anika. And today is Sunday. And we have a very nice weather today. So, we decided na lumabas kami ng aking husband. Again, he's here with me. So guys, papunta kaming Ikea today. And then, mag-iikot lang kami because it's been a while na hindi kami nakalabas at nakapunta ng Ikea. Since it's open na ngayon, iikot kami.
Hanggang sa mapagod.
Hanggang sa mapagod.
3 months. The last time na nagpunta kami sa Ikea was 3 months. Merong isang lockdown in between. So it's a good opportunity na makarating kami ngayon after not being able to go there for the last 3 months.
Hi guys! Good morning! So today it's Sunday and I'm here at Ikea. As you see, I'm still wearing my mask. This is the normal. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm so excited to see what's new for Ikea this year. So let's check it out. What's new for 2021? You know guys, before I decided to come here, I checked online first. And I saw lots of new stuff today. What I love here is there's always a great price and a really good quality product. So, come on guys, let's check it out! So, let's take a look at this sofa. This is the Morado with chase and dark gray metal. It is very stylish, very comfortable. The cushions are on firm side. It's a large cushion and this is great for family. Here's a white crop pillow. This is really perfect for the living room or a couch or in a bed. Very excellent quality and looks really great.
It's known that IKEA beds are great baby makers. 10% of Europeans are conceived in an IKEA bed, according to statistics.
So guys, I just love sharing IKEA stuff with you guys. So just continue watching, and if you like watching this kind of video, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell as well. So let's take a look at this chair. I love the look of this chair. It's very comfortable as well. This is a rattan, very attractive at a great price. I've been eyeing for this kaso laging out of stock. I love this footstool and this is made of banana fiber. It looks amazing. Very interesting footstool and also very versatile addition in our living room. This is just so perfect in a small apartment. Here's a perfect chair that is very reasonable price. Looks so comfortable. You can use this on your online class or working at home. I think this is so easy to assemble. These bowls are very pretty. They are just right in size. Not too big, not too small. They stack beautifully, and this 2-pack costs $6.99. This one is a mug with leaf pattern, white and green also. 2-pack for $6.99, and it also with a side plate thinner. This is really cute. And here's another one. I love the shape of this dish. So it has a dinner plate and also this side plate. This is so pretty. I love the design. It's very gorgeous. I love the shape of this placemat and the texture, the color. It gives a stylish to any table. You know guys, rattan is a huge today. Sobrang in niya ngayon. So look at this. This is a backpack made from rattan. Very well made. So you can use this for your picnic or other outdoor activities. This is so cute. This cushion cover is really cute and it's nice for patio or even indoor. These are perfect for spring season. These bowls are so cute. Here's a bamboo tray and it looks so unique. I love it. And here's another one in a round shape so you can have a choice. Here's a basket bamboo in black and it cost $34.99. I love the style and it's big enough to hold my blanket in my living room. This is so pretty. Here's a flower back sweet holder and this is good for indoor or outdoor in white. Very light and the hook are perfect, even the size and the color. This showroom is the most eye-catching and if you love a blue style, you can check it here. So, what can you say about the new product from Ikea? And what is your favorite product? So you can comment down below and I think this is it for today guys. So thanks for watching. So now guys, we're going home now. We're done browsing or scrolling at Ikea. So those people who wants to have always a good deal, you guys can visit at Ikea. I hope you enjoyed and sa mga bago pa lang sa channel ko, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.